Good afternoon. Today we are going to study about volume of prisms. So the volume, we need to know what does mean volume in the beginning. Volume means the amount of matter I can fill the shape or the 3D figure that I have. For example, if this box, I want to know the volume of it. So it means that I want to know the amount of water that I can fit inside. Okay, so how much can I fill inside this one? We have a rule for it. The rule is the area of the base times height. Area of base times height. So let's see. If it's a prism like this rectangular prism, so to find the volume, I will multiply the length times width times height. Length times width, that's the base, and then multiplied by height, it will give you the volume. So the volume is equal to length, width, and height. And the unit will be unit cubed, and that's the rule that we are going to use. Okay, so let's take an example like this one. So I have here a rectangular prism and I want to find the volume for it. So I have here the length and I have the width and I have the height. So to find the volume, I will multiply all the sides together. So it will be 5 times 4 times 3, which is going to be 20. These two are 20. 20 times 3 equals to 60. And the unit will be centimeter cubed. That's the first part of the lesson, how to find the volume of a prism. Volume of rectangular prism is equal to length times width times height. The three given numbers, you multiply them together, you will get the volume of the rectangular prism. What if I have a triangular prism? As we know before, we name the prism according to its base. So the base here is a triangle, so it's a triangular prism. To find the volume of a triangular prism, you will do the same thing. It means that the volume equals the area of the base times height. Okay, so here the area of the base is what? It's a triangle. It's not a square or a rectangle. The area of the base here is a triangle, so it's going to be base times height divided by 2 and then times height. Let's take an example to understand what I'm saying. So to know the volume of the triangular prism, you will need to find the volume of the area of the base and then times height. Let's take an example. Okay, so here he wants the volume of the triangular prism that I have. As we know, where's the base? The base is this one, and that's the height. So to find the volume, it's the area of the base times height. What is the area of the base? Area of the base is base times height here, this one times this one divided by 2. Why divide by 2? Because we said that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Let's see. So the volume will be equal to base times height, which is 4 times 5, divided by 2, and then the times 7 at the end, which is going to be 20 divided by 2, it means 10, and then times 7 is going to be 70, and the unit is inch cubed. So how did I find this? Or how can I make it easier for me? I can give you an easier rule, which is going to be volume equals the three numbers times each other, base times height times base times height of the triangle times the height of the prism itself, divide by 2. Yani it will be 4 times 5 times 7 divided by 2, which is going to be all of it together. It will give you also 70 inch cubed. So you can use this rule to multiply the height of the base and the base of the base times height, all of them times each other, but don't forget to divide by 2 because the base is a triangle. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you, girls.